If the repost option is missing on your Instagram account, you're not alone. This is a common issue that usually happens because of an outdated app version or a temporary account glitch. In this guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps you can use to fix the Instagram repost option not showing problem. First, open the Play Store on your phone. Tap on the search bar and type Instagram. Once the app appears, check if an update is available. If you see the update button, install the latest version. Using an outdated version often removes newer features like repost. After the update is completed, open Instagram again. Go to your profile page, tap the three-line menu icon at the top corner. Scroll down and select the Help option. Inside Help, tap on Report a Problem. Again, select Report a Problem. Choose Include and Continue so Instagram receives full details. Now clearly explain that your repost option is not showing and mention when the issue started. The clearer your message, the faster Instagram can review it. After typing the issue, tap Send. Once this is done, Instagram usually fixes the problem automatically within some time. In most cases, the repost option returns after the review. Thanks for watching and stay connected for more simple Instagram fixes and updates.